Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at iMovie on macOS. So know that when you use iMovie, it's only compatible with Mac. So if you're on Linux, Windows, or any other operating system, you just have to know that it's not going to work, unfortunately. But iMovie is a really good free editing tool for movies, trailers. So yeah, right before we hop into it, only about 50% of people who watch my videos are subscribed. So if you end up liking this video, maybe consider subscribing. It's free, and so is unsubscribing if you ever feel like it. Alright, so first step is just downloading this. You can download it from the App Store, or I will leave a download link for it in the description. So you can just open up a project. I have a list of media because I've used this before. And so I'm just going to take you through a couple basics of what you can use with iMovie. iMovie comes with titles, backgrounds, transitions, like all the tools, really, like all the essentials, really, for making a YouTube video, or in my case, I'm making a YouTube video. So I'm gonna quickly put my intro for my YouTube channel, and I'm just gonna put that here. You can either drag it in to the movie, or you can, if you click the clip that you want to put in, you can click that little plus sign right there, and it'll just pop it in right there. So if you, this line is where you are on the timeline. If you put this back here and click the play button, you'll see that I am getting my intro now. But obviously, I don't just want my intro. That's not what I want. So, let's maybe put some background music. So here is some no copyright music that I usually put in my video. So I'm gonna drag this, but I'm gonna put it below, and I'm gonna put it in the audio category. So this is like the film category, and this is the sound. So since this is no copyright, I can use it in my video. So as you can see, I am now getting music with my video. So I don't want my, actually I can let my music just keep going. So I'm just gonna take some, let me see. This is gonna be my end screen, because this is my normal end screen now. Here's my watch time from subscribers, and so I'm gonna just put that right in between these two clips. And so I'll So once I put those, once I put those to, what should I say? Oh, let's see. So, obviously, when I play this clip, it's just gonna move right into another clip. Sometimes I might want to transition. You know, I want this subtle change between these two clips. So if you go to the list of transitions, iMovie has quite a few options that you can use to improve your movie. So I'll just use Mosaic. I like this transition. So if I can drag this and I can put it in between these two clips. So now when I when I watch it over again, there's this Mosaic transition right between those two clips. Alright, and so also, what if I want to say in the middle of the clip, what if I want to say be sure to subscribe? So obviously I can, there's a titles category that iMovie has, and you can just go there, and there's quite a few more options for text that you might want to use. So I'm gonna want to put my text, like, you can put it in a clip, so the audience only sees the text and no background. Or you can take this clip and put it on top of another clip, and it'll play inside that clip. So if you hover over your title, you can quickly edit and say, be sure to subscribe. and you can make that whatever color you want. You can make it, yeah, I'll just make it blue. You can do anything you want really with this. You can change the text right here. You can change, let's see, what else? You can make it bold and unbold it. You can put shadows behind it. There are really cool effects you can use. So as we transition out of this clip, it has its, my end screen already has a transition outro of its own. So if you want sound effects, iMovie has a couple sound effects you may want to use. For example, there are quite a few. So you can, like, there are many. These are all, like, no copyright, so YouTube won't stalk you if you use them. So you can feel free to use these. These are completely free to use, as well as other sound effects you can find all over. And so after you have this sound effect, you can just insert this sound effect, and you can put it wherever you want on the timeline. It's going to go in the sound category because it's a sound effect, not a clip. So you can put it right here, and I will have a sound effect here. Alright, so yeah. So I'm just gonna delete that. That wasn't really as efficient, but it was cool. Yeah. And so, what else? iMovie also has a list of backgrounds you can use. So a lot of these are just colors that you can add effects to. You can even add filters in these backgrounds. Here you can select auto, match color, white balance, and skin tone balance, where you can adjust the tone of the color you have, or the color of background you have, really. You can adjust the color of the background you want, the visibility, the brightness, you name it. So this is all really cool, and even with also with video clips, if you look up here in the right here, you can make a certain clip speedier than usual or slower than normal. You can make it slower, faster. You can make it freeze at a certain time, or you can make it custom, where you have a custom speed you want your clip to go at. Also, for these colors, iMovie has so many filters you can choose from. Like, a lot of that will help your video to have its best effect. So right now I have no filter because I don't really want a filter, but you can feel free to use those if you want. And yeah. Yeah, so guys, that's about it for this video. Be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you found this helpful. And you guys, I'm almost at 100 subscribers. It would mean the world to me if you could get me to 100 subscribers. I hope you guys all have a great day. Peace.